Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The app is installed, updated, and has location and background location enabled so sharing remains accurate. Once done, open the app and sign in with the account you'll use. This links your identity and history. Make sure you grant contacts permission so recipients appear automatically. Now tap Share Location or Start Sharing. That first action initializes the session and creates a secure link or direct share to chosen contacts, laying the groundwork for real-time updates. Next, you pick who sees your location and why. Select individuals or a group because tailored sharing limits exposure. Once chosen, specify duration 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinite to control privacy. Then configure options like high-accuracy tracking for navigation or battery-saving mode for longer sessions. This balances precision versus battery drain. After you confirm, the app sends a link or notification to recipients. Make sure to check the preview so recipients receive the intended level of access. Finally, you monitor the live map to ensure movement and pins reflect reality. This verifies permissions and signal strength. When you finish, tap Stop Sharing to immediately revoke access. Do this to protect privacy. If recipients report wrong or missing location, first make sure GPS is enabled and your device has signal. Then restart the app and resend the share link if needed. If problems persist, toggle background location and retry. This sequence resolves most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.